Greetings, future investors. Today we're diving into the exciting world of investing, specifically for those just starting out. Investing might seem like a daunting task, but fear not. We're here to break it down for you, making it simple and understandable, even if you're a complete novice. So buckle up as we travel down the path to financial freedom together. Let's get started. At number 5, we have understanding the basics. This is where your investing journey truly begins. You might have heard about the magic of compound earnings. It's like a snowball rolling down a hill, getting bigger as it goes along. With compounding, your earnings generate even more earnings, accelerating your wealth-building power. Over time, this can significantly boost your investment returns. But to tap into this magic, you need to invest, and there's a multitude of investments available. From stocks and bonds to mutual funds and ETFs, each comes with its own set of characteristics, risks, and potential returns. It's crucial to familiarize yourself with these investment types, understand how they work, and determine which ones align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Knowing the basics also means understanding the importance of diversification. Simply put, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spreading your investments across different asset classes can help minimize risk and potentially increase your chances of investment success. Remember, a good understanding of the basics is the first step towards becoming a successful investor. Moving on to number 4, setting your investment goals. You can't arrive at your destination if you haven't decided where you are going. You might be saving for a down payment on a house, your child's college tuition, or perhaps the golden years of retirement. Each goal will require a different strategy and timeline, so it's important to define them clearly from the outset. Let's take retirement, for example. If your employer offers a retirement account with a matching contribution, it's a wise move to contribute at least enough to earn that full match. It's essentially free money and a guaranteed return on your investment. But what if your goal is more immediate, like buying a house in the next 5 years? In this case, you may want to consider a different approach, perhaps a taxable brokerage account that offers more flexibility. Remember, each investment goal will have its own unique path. The clearer you are about what you want to achieve, the easier it'll be to map out your journey. Being clear about your goals will help you make informed investment decisions and keep you motivated. Before we continue, please consider subscribing to our channel for all the latest personal finance tips and tricks. The more informed you are, the better off you will be. Coming in at number 3, choosing the right investment account. Now, there are different types of investment accounts to consider, each with its unique features and benefits. Let's break it down. Firstly, we have retirement accounts. These are designed for, you guessed it, saving for retirement. If your employer offers a match, it's like getting free money, so try to contribute at least enough to earn that full match. Then we have taxable brokerage accounts. Unlike retirement accounts, these don't have specific tax advantages. However, they offer more flexibility. You can withdraw from a taxable brokerage account at any time without penalties. Which one should you choose, you ask? Well, that depends on your investment goals. If you're saving for retirement, a retirement account could be your best bet. But if you're saving for other goals, like buying a house or starting a business, a taxable brokerage account might be more suitable. It's all about aligning your investment account with your financial objectives. This is a fundamental step in your investing journey. Remember, choosing the right account is crucial in ensuring your investments align with your financial goals. At number 2, we have deciding on an investment strategy. Now, this is where the rubber meets the road, so to speak. It's important to understand that investing without a strategy is like setting sail without a compass. You might get lucky and find your destination, but chances are you'll end up lost at sea. An investment strategy is your financial game plan. It's based on your saving goals, the amount you need, and your time horizon. These 3 factors will guide your investment decisions and help you manage risks. Let's start with your saving goals. Are you saving for a down payment on a house, your child's college education, or a comfortable retirement? Each goal will require a different strategy. For example, if you're saving for a short-term goal, like a house down payment, you might want to stick with safer investments, like bonds or money market funds. But if you're saving for a long-term goal, like retirement, you can afford to take on more risk with stocks. Next, consider the amount you need. If you're saving for a large expense, like a house or college tuition, you'll need a strategy that maximizes your returns. This might mean investing in a mix of stocks and bonds to balance risk and reward. But if you're saving for a smaller expense, like a vacation, a conservative strategy with lower risk investments might be more appropriate. Finally, think about your time horizon. The more time you have before you need to reach your goal, the more risk you can afford to take. This is because you'll have more time to recover from any potential losses. For example, if you're in your 20s and saving for retirement, you can afford to take on more risk with a larger portion of your portfolio in stocks. But if you're in your 50s and nearing retirement, a more conservative approach with a larger portion in bonds might be more suitable. Remember, the goal of your investment strategy is not to beat the market or make a quick buck. Instead, it's to help you reach your financial goals in a way that aligns with your risk tolerance and time horizon. So take the time to consider your needs and circumstances and craft a strategy that works for you. Having a well-thought-out investment strategy is the key to investing success. And finally, at number 1, starting small. This is a vital step, particularly for those who are new to the investment scene. You might be wondering, do I need a huge sum to start investing? The answer is a resounding no. The beauty of investing is that it's not exclusive to those with deep pockets. There are plenty of investment options available that require only small amounts to start. This is incredibly helpful for those who are just dipping their toes into the vast ocean of investing. Starting small allows you to learn the ropes without risking too much. It's like learning to ride a bike with training wheels. You get a feel for the process, understand the mechanics, and gradually build your confidence. As you gain more knowledge and experience, you can slowly increase your investments. This method provides a smoother transition and a more manageable learning curve, reducing the risk of making costly mistakes early on. So don't be deterred if you don't have a lot to invest right off the bat. Even a small amount can grow significantly over time thanks to the magic of compound earnings. Remember, you don't need a fortune to start investing. Start small, learn as you go, and watch your investments grow over time. And there you have it, 5 steps to get you started on your investing journey. We've covered the importance of understanding the basics, where you learned about the power of compound earnings and the many options available for investing, even with small amounts. Then, we moved on to setting your investment goals. Whether it's for retirement or another life milestone, having clear objectives is crucial in shaping your investment strategy. Speaking of strategy, we also touched on the importance of choosing the right investment account. From retirement accounts that offer employer matches to taxable brokerage accounts for other goals, the right account can make a significant difference in your investment journey. Next, we discussed how to decide on an investment strategy, emphasizing that it should align with your saving goals, the amount needed, and your time horizon. Lastly, we highlighted the value of starting small. Remember, every dollar invested is a step towards your financial goals. Remember, investing is a journey, not a destination. So take the first step today and set yourself on the path to financial freedom. Until next time, happy investing.